In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw and interpret dot plots. So the question I'm going to be showing you today is, teenagers part of the local Scouts club voted for their favourite character in The Simpsons. Results are shown below. So in this first column over here, we've got the characters. So we've got Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa, Mr. Burns, Milhouse, and Krusty the Clown. Here in this second column, we have the number of votes. So how many votes each character had from the teenagers saying that they were their favourite character. So 6 teenagers said that Homer was their favourite character. Only 1 said that Marge was their favourite character. 7 of them said Bart was their favourite character, so on, so on. The first question is saying, draw a dot plot to represent the data. Now, I've already gone ahead and I've drawn a line with my ruler. So you'll need a ruler to make sure this is straight. And I've just done 2 little arrows on either side. So that's to show that this actually can keep on going. So down here below the line, we need to put everything we see in this left-hand column. Okay, so all the characters' names are going to evenly go down here underneath this line. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, so we've got Homer, Marge, Bart, Lisa, Mr. Burns, Milhouse, and Krusty the Clown. Okay, so you would do this for any question you had. If your question was about a survey about people's favourite pizza, people's favourite holiday they've been on, the number of people that were at a party, favourite sports, how many hours of homework you do a week, anything that it was, whatever you have got data from, those things are going to be down here underneath this line. All right. This column over here that shows how many votes were taken is going to be represented by the dots. Now we are going to draw dots for each and every vote because it's called a dot plot, okay? So for the first one, 6 people said Homer was their favourite character. So each dot is going to represent a person. So if 6 people thought Homer was their favourite character, then I'll have 6 dots on top of Homer. One person said Marge. 7 people said Bart. And you want to make sure that when you're drawing your dots, they're even, so they're all the same size. No people voted for Lisa, so poor Lisa, she's obviously not a favourite, so we leave her blank. Mr. Burns, 1 person. They must like mean people. Milhouse, 3. And Krusty the Clown, he had 4. So 4 people from the Scouts Club said that Krusty the Clown was their favourite Simpsons character. Okay, so all my dots are the same size, they're all spaced out the same amount, and whatever I see in this table here, I have drawn in a dot plot. Now the only thing that's missing is a title. And I'm going to call it Favourite Simpsons Characters. And I'm going to label down here as characters' names. So I'm saying that these are all the characters' names, and this overall dot plot is showing everyone's favourite Simpsons characters. Okay, and that's full marks. Then we have some questions here. How many teenagers voted? Well, you need to see how many people there were altogether. So all you would do is you would count all of these dots, all right? Because these are all the people that voted. You could also just add up all these numbers, but I want you to answer the questions using the dot plot. So how many teenagers were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the answer is 22. Who is the most popular character? Well, you're looking for the one that has the most dots, and that is Bart. Who is the least popular character? So now you're looking for the one with the least amount of dots. And in this case, Lisa has no dots, which means no one voted for her. So since she doesn't have any dots, she is the least popular character. How many votes did Milhouse get? Well, we just need to count the dots on top of Milhouse. 1, 2, 3. So Milhouse got 3 votes. And lucky last, which character got 4 votes? So we are trying to find which one of these characters has 4 dots on top of their name. Well, Homer has more than 4. She has less than 4. He has more than 4. She doesn't even have any. Mr. Burns only has 1. Milhouse has 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Krusty the Clown got 4 votes. So my answer would be Krusty the Clown.